Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and the NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen because I think there is a very interesting situation here. So what we had yesterday was a down day, but just closed near the low of the day from 2 days ago. And we can see here in the hourly time frame, as you can see, the market traded back with the backup above this previous swing low, and we can see that hourly 10 and 20 day moving average. We had a couple of bars of the consolidation and then this kind of the breakout. So I see potential for the higher price to develop today and short-term perspective. So the first upside objective is set at 147.34, and then there is potential for the retest of 149.12. So as long as the market is holding above 144.88, above this swing low from today, there is a chance for the higher prices on the USD Japanese yen. On the Bitcoin dollar, we can see that market is in a heavy consolidation the last, I will say, 2 weeks. And there is a still chance for the lower prices as long as the price is trading and Bitcoin is trading below 62,800 mark. There is a still chance for the scenario like this, for the market to trade lower and maybe into the pin bar territory around 54,000 mark and 50,000 mark. On the hourly time frame, we're building more like a consolidation. As you can see here, the eventual rebreak of the 58,600 can be a good potential for the further drop. On the dollar index, we can see that market is trading lower. It's going potentially to this pin bar territory. It's already there. So this might be the support for the dollar index. So the area around 137, 140. I think this is quite a good important area on the weekly time frame. And then we have a pin bar low at 100.67. This is the low in case of the stronger down break and hold below. So support is on the test on the dollar index. On the gold market, we can see that we had some selling that kicked in. And we have a pin bar, a tail, so weakness appeared yesterday. So there is a chance for some downside rotation. There is a chance for the retest of 2,500 and maybe even 2,486. Yes, it's a short-term upside environment, mid-term, but we had a potential weakness that appeared yesterday, and this sell-off followed with a weak rally. There might be the chance for another secondary leg down, at least on the hourly time frame. On the crude oil, market is trading pretty much downside in the last couple of days. We have the recent swing low at 72.56, and that will be like a key support for the crude oil, still short-term downside environment. And on the NASDAQ, we can see that market is trading higher. We had a consolidation day yesterday. Weekly is trading higher. And the next pivot level on the NASDAQ 100 is set at 19,920, which is the previous swing highs on the daily time frame. So it will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. I have a good trading day and speak to you from tomorrow.